I've added my washed rice to a little bit of fried onion, just a bit, and then I'm going to add some grated coconut to it and water and let it boil at low heat. Then I'll show you the end result. Here I have desiccated coconut, and I'm going to use 2 teaspoons. So I'll just add that and then stir it in. Then I'll add water and let it cook at low heat. Yeah. Oh, and some salt. Yes, salt to taste, and then let it cook at low heat. So my rice is ready. You can see we are small household, so we cook very little rice. So this is 1 glass, and I put 2 glasses of water, some salt, and then I let it cook slowly over low heat. Just taking about 10 minutes, and now it's ready to serve. We'll serve it with some minced meat. I'm preparing some minced meat and peas. I'll show you how I serve it at the end of it.